We're inside one of the tents, and as you can see right now, we've got pavement, we've got rocks, we've got the great outdoors. However, come boat show day, this will be made over completely. We're gonna have a carpet in here, yes, carpet. We're gonna have the sides enclosed, we're gonna have it heated. It's gonna be everything and more that you're gonna need. So if it's cold outside, you don't wanna go do anything, this is the perfect place to come inside and have a good time. As you can see, we've got a huge space. For Come Boat Show Day, this will be filled with unbelievable boats, lots of entertainment, lots of friends, and lots to do. So this is day 2. We'll check out day 5 come Friday.